Storm Team.
All right, a live look as the sun gets ready to set on our day. We see these clouds drifting overhead throughout, and temperatures not as warm as yesterday, but still above our seasonal average for this time of the year. Typically, we hit 71 on this date, 79 right now, a north wind only 9 miles per hour. So a pleasant evening out there with the light winds. 74 in Grand Forks under mostly cloudy skies. Your relative humidity of 45% with winds under 10 miles per hour. They're from the east-southeast. We have 60s now as we cool off in Langdon. Highs in the 70s today, mid-70s, Valley City and Jamestown this hour. Look at where the heat is, and it still remains near 90 in Sisseton after a high in 90 today. We're still in the upper 80s. Likewise, 91 in Wheaton today. It's sizzling to our south and east. That's where the heat is, and it's making its way up into Lakes Country. Fergus Falls right now, you have 84 after an 86-degree high, and it's 79 in Detroit Lake. Scattered showers rumbling their way through Baudette and the Red Lakes area down towards Bemidji. These are moving to the north and to the east. Down to the south, though, we have more potent thunderstorms, and this is on that boundary between the hot air to the south and to the west. And look at this. Just to the south and to the east of St. Cloud, some thunder and lightning. Wilmer seeing some. This is all heading toward the Twin Cities at this hour. A few of those storms may be strong. But take a look at what's going on out to the west in the Rocky Mountains. Big storm system winding its way through. This is all moving also to a north and easterly direction. So most of North Dakota, at least the western fringes, may see that rain. But for us, we'll be fortunate to see some. And we can use a little. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. Temperatures this evening will be in the 70s. Quickly dropping into the 60s for many of our northern counties, though. Look what fires up in the overnight hours. By 10 o'clock, a chance of some central North Dakota storms. The upper level winds are going to drive these up into Canada, though. So the best chance of a shower and thunderstorm activity will be in northeast North Dakota tonight. That's where we have a chance of getting some much needed rainfall. Elsewhere, it stays dry, and it stays very warm to our south and east. For morning temperatures, there will be between 65 and 70 degrees. That's a warm start to the day. Everyone else, mid-50s to around 60 degrees. Best chance of any showers or thunder showers in the morning hours will be up north. So as you head out to the bus stop, there'll be a chance of sprinkles. And even through your mid-morning along Highway 2 and points north. Otherwise, this storm moves through and doesn't deliver much of our area with much in the way of rain. But everyone sees cooler temperatures. Even Lakes Country, where today it was in the 80 to near 90-degree range. We're expecting 70s there. And all in all, some upper 60s up to the north with more clouds and scattered sprinkles. Tomorrow night, thunderstorms could be severe in eastern Minnesota from Duluth to the Twin Cities. Fargo's planner. Rise and shine at the bus stop, 59, so still not too chilly. That's pretty good. 7:07, the time of sunrise. Then as we head toward the midday hour, 65 with a more brisk northwesterly wind. Then as we head toward the evening hours, we'll have a sunset at 7:35. Notice how those times are getting pretty close to 12 hours apart. That means that old equinox is rearing its head. It won't be long before it's upon us. 72 in the afternoon, upper 60s, Valley City and Jamestown. Otherwise, the warmest weather will once again be in the south and east, but nowhere near as warm as we saw today. Upper 60s and low 70s. A lot of mid-60s across the Northland, including Hallock at 65. And for Grand Forks tomorrow, 68 degrees, 61 in Langdon, and 66 in Carrington. All right, here's a look at your planning forecast. A chilly Friday on the way. A high of only 63 in Fargo. That means we'll be 53 up north. Woo! That's kind of chilly. But it all gets better as we head into the weekend. Mike, it looks like there. We'll have 72 on Saturday and 77 gorgeous degrees on Sunday as we get back to well above average early next week.
I love above average or well above average.
Thank you. I do my best.
Later in sports, Carson Wentz breaks down the plan of attack for Saturday's game against North Dakota. Up next, there's still time to have a cup of coffee and talk about Moorhead with its mayor.